Bread machines are a comfort machine, and, surprisingly, however a few models promote settings for making jam or applying pasta mixture, they fill one principal need, to deliver new prepared bread in only a couple of hours and with very little active work. For a great deal of home cooks, there's something truly engaging about adding your fixings, squeezing dough, and lifting out a new portion without investing energy manipulating or turn on your broiler. Basically, bread machines handle the more elaborate pieces of bread baking, permitting you to zero in on adding fixings at a particular time and just set it and fail to remember it. Whether or not your spending plan is $80 or $300 plus, remember the kind of bread you need to prepare while looking for a machine. Since various breads require various fixings, you could see a model that can heat white, entire grain and sans gluten breads, however not be equipped for delivering sourdough or pumpernickel.
Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel.
In this video, I recommend best bread machines for home. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Patioer brand. Automatic bread maker has 15 menu options, including basic, French, whole wheat, sweet, cake, yogurt, jam, dough, gluten-free, homemade. Digital LCD display, easy to customize your favorite bread. 850W powerful heating, this bread maker machine with functions of 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour warm keeping and 15 minutes memory to continue the process automatically when power off, all for a fresh and health baking result. Upgraded countertop bread maker comes with 2 knead blades, which can stir more effectively than one blade model does, provides thorough dough kneading for a higher rise and a soft taste. Designed with a transparent viewing window to allows easy observing the baking process. Removable and non-stick pan can easily take out and clean up, it's dishwasher safer. ETL certification approved. Low working noise less than 40 dB. A simple recipes included for reference, you can also try your own recipes. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Hamilton Beach brand. The Hamilton Beach Premium Dough and Bread Maker lets you create fresh homemade breads and doughs without even having to roll up your sleeves to mix and knead. Just add ingredients, select the cycle and press start. With 14 programmed settings for a variety of breads and doughs, you can make everything from gluten-free loaves to sweet, gooey cinnamon raisin buns. No need to wait around during the kneading process in order to add mix-ins to your dough, the automatic fruit and nut dispenser will do it for you at the ideal time. Settings include basic, French, sweet, 1.5 pounds express, 2 pounds express, quick bread, gluten-free, artisan dough, whole grain, dough, rise, bake, jam and cake. Choose from light, medium, or dark crust options in 1, 1.5 or 2 pounds loaf sizes. The non-stick pan lifts out for easy bread removal and cleaning. A measuring cup and spoon, kneading paddle and paddle removing tool are included in the box. The bread pan and paddle are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Watch the progress of your bread as it kneads, rises and bakes through the viewing window. Makes it easy to see at a glance exactly when your bread will be finished baking. Add ingredients and begin the baking process later, perfect for breakfast and entertaining. Number 3 in our top is from the SAKI brand. Add joy to your mornings with SAKI bread machine. With an intelligent delay option, you can prepare the ingredients before sleep then hit the delayed timer to start your morning with fresh hot and crusty bread. The bread maker can be delayed up to 15 hours. Your bread is always there for you. Stop worrying about freshness loss of your newly baked bread. When the selected program ends, SAKI bread maker beeps 10 times to prompting that the program is completed. Then keep one function gets activated until you remove your bread from the pan. Always fresh as promised. No more going through cooking books for bread recipes. With SAKI bread maker we pick the most used 12 programs to fulfill our customer needs. Basic bread, quick bread, sweet bread, whole wheat bread, gluten-free bread, dough, knead, cake, jam, yogurt, bake, homemade.
More program does not mean better bread, but more power means better bread.
This bread maker has 850W motor power to create the difference compared to other bread makers in the market.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video.
Number 2 in our top is from the Hamilton Beach brand. You control the ingredients and nutritional content of your bread when you make it yourself, so it's easier to make healthy loaves. With 12 pre-programmed cycles, you can make everything from healthy whole grain and gluten-free loaves to dough for sweet, gooey cinnamon raisin buns. Make bread the way you like it with 2 loaf sizes and 3 crust settings to choose from for light, medium or dark crust. The machine is great for prepping dough for pizza, dinner rolls, cinnamon buns and more. Just add your ingredients, select the cycle and press start. Make everything from basic white and gluten-free bread to French loaves and cinnamon raisin buns. Prepare healthy loaves of bread without preservatives or trans fat. Make dough for pizza and dinner rolls, bake cake, or make delicious mouth-watering loaves of fresh baked bread. Cycles include basic, French, gluten-free, quick bread, sweet, dough, jam, cake, whole grain and bake. Prepare a variety of yeast doughs for dinner rolls, pizza crusts, cinnamon buns and more, then bake in a conventional oven. The large digital display makes it easy to select cycle, crust and loaf size, as well as monitor the time left until your bread is ready. A delay start feature allows you to set the bread machine in advance.
The number 1 product is part of the Dash brand.
Bake fresh traditional and artisanal loaves at home with the Dash Everyday Bread Maker. This bread maker streamlines the process of baking bread at home, kneading dough, timing the rise, and baking all in a single appliance. Plus, it's equipped with a 13-hour delay start feature for fresh bread at any time. 12 pre-programmed baking modes allow you to create an impressive range of breads with the push of a button, including French, whole wheat, ultra-fast, sweet, gluten-free, artisan, jam, cake, and more. The automatic dispenser for fruits, nuts, and fillings gives you even more options for customization, while the clear top view window lets you view the entire process. Separate kneading and bake settings, so you can knead dough if you want to bake it in the oven or bake pre-made dough in the bread maker.
Which bread machine would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.